Hey guys, welcome back to another Colorado Cardio video. Today we're going to be going over maintenance to help your treadmill stop any squeaking, grinding, or crackling sounds. Now the crackling sounds most people have, they say that it's when their belt is just slowly running and they just started it, and it's going about 1 mile per hour between the 2 mile per hour. Anywhere within there it creates a crackling. And what that's saying is that the lubricant underneath this belt is soaking in dirt and a lot of pebbles and stuff, so it's going to go back and forth between the back wheel and the front wheel here, and that's where you're going to get the crackling sound. So you just want to stick a rag under there and kind of absorb all that. If the belt is sticking while you're running on it, or it kind of stops, or it just seems like it has a tension to it, what you're most likely missing is belt lubricant. And we put about half of one of these little 2-ounce bottles, 3-ounce bottles in here, and then we start our workout and it'll absorb itself into the belt. For the first couple months you own this, the belt will be dry, so you're going to want to put plenty of lubricant down there to help it stay lubricated and wet. And then if you have any squeaking, that's going to come from this front drive belt. And what we use is a bar of Dove soap, and you'll rub it in between on the black belt and then on the wheel as well. And then once you start your workout, it'll disperse itself into the teeth and silence the squeaking. Another problem is when people are running, because the belt is a little bit more relaxed, so when you run it can give you cushion. Sometimes you'll hear this plastic kind of get kicked up on both sides, and what that's saying is this is a little loose, so you'll just have to tighten these screws down a little bit, and that should silence the sides up. And that's how you do overall maintenance on your Precor treadmill.